25th of December. And we've received a Christmas miracle from God, I think. Shall we show them?
Yeah.
So, this coin, only the best meme coin ever made, known to humans. So, look, if you look closely, let me just turn my brightness up higher. You see it?
Yeah.
This was our first entry, second entry, third entry, fourth entry. Look what's happened. Within 3 days, price went from all-time high down 50% in 3 days, and then 2 days later it's just made an all-time high on Christmas Day.
Christmas came early.
Listen, this is the power of trust, honestly, because when I first saw this coin, I was like, you know what? This is I just got this intuitive feeling that this is it. And we held through all the we got in at 29 million, yeah, before anyone knew what it was. Mm-hmm. And now it's all over the internet. It was headlining on NBC News, and it was on. People with like 500,000 million followers was basically shilling it and throwing it out to the world. And it just made me feel amazing, because the fact that I was able to call it to the group and get so many people on board to buy it and just to trust in this fat coin. Bro, it's just that's what I mean. That's how ridiculous this world is, right? People literally go to work. Think about any people that are going to work, God bless them, on Christmas Day to earn money for themselves or their family, and you can invest into a meme coin called Fart Coin on Christmas Day, and it do almost 100%. That's how beautiful the world that we're living in is. What a blessing, you know, the opportunities that are in front of us. Honestly, I'm lost for words. So one of our members at Mindful Markets basically just posted a chart, and he was asking yesterday, so today's 26th, yesterday 25th, he basically posted this. He was asking for some guidance and said, you know, is there anything that I missed from this? So basically said to him, I'll reply the next day. So I've just adjusted some stuff, explained everything to him of where he went wrong, what bits he was missing. But the thing is, what you got to understand is someone who's just learning trading and is analysing charts on Christmas Day, that's different. Do you know what I'm saying? Like, that is so amazing to see that people are literally taking in the knowledge and they're committing to doing this, as when most people be like, oh, it's Christmas Day, I'm just going to chill, I'm going to do that, I'm going to indulge in all this food. My guy here is literally cracking on with his craft. That's the kind of mindset that we're looking for at Mindful Markets. So I just had some nice breakfast. I don't normally eat breakfast, but yesterday I had food poisoning, so...
Yeah, what did you guys eat, man? Because whatever you ate, I didn't eat.
Actually, I think it was that, when I mixed that salmon and chicken last night.
Oh, what?
I just felt like I needed to replenish, and I was so hungry because obviously basically fasted yesterday, and yeah, I thought to myself, I still need to regenerate. I need my body to heal. What's the best thing I can do? To go to the beach and chill. And I thought to myself, instead of just going to the beach and just lying there for however long I'm going to be there, I'm still going to try and make my time productive. So I just went and bought this book, The 21 Irrefutable Laws of Leadership. Now, obviously, running Mindful Markets and Crypto Alliance, you know, I've got a team of people that are working with me, and I'm managing, you know, a group of people. So one thing I just understand is that no matter how much knowledge you gain and how old you are or how much experience you have in something, never stop learning, never stop educating yourself. And you know, being a leader is you got to have a lot of courage You've got to be able to be open-minded enough to shift your beliefs and put your ego to the side, you know. So it's beautiful to be able to just continuously keep learning, regardless of what position you're in life. Merry Christmas, you filthy animal. Oh shit. You know, it's so beautiful. Because when you're here, you kind of forget about Christmas in a way, because obviously Christmas is always Santa Claus is out and there is snow and it's cold and there's presents and there isn't any here. And it's the first time ever experiencing Christmas Day on a beach. It's been a dream for a very, very long time. I just never knew how it would happen because of the circumstances I was in and the amount of debt that I was in. It just seemed like a little vision in the back of my mind, and here we are today. So it's a blessing from above. So I'm just sending out wishes to everyone in this world to just do your best and be your best wherever you are, whatever you are doing, whoever is around you. Just remember that you have one life, you have one go at this. Just decided to get a 90-minute massage last minute because that's just what you do in Thailand. Oh, you don't have anything to do? Oh, go get a massage. Perfect idea. See this? Foot massage with Tiger Balm, 30 minutes. Oil, body, full massage, 1 hour, 750 baht. Thank you. See that? That's like 750. It's like £35. No, sorry, 35. It's like £17 for a 90-minute massage in Thailand. This is the difference between England. If I got that same thing in England, that would have been about probably like close to 80 to 100 pounds. It was 17 quid. This is why I love Thailand. And also, I've just come into a massage parlour and I've got barely any clothes on. They don't care about anything because they're amazing people and I love this country more than my own. Oh, thank you very much. The service is unprecedented. Bro, check the quality of this room, yeah? Got 2 beds, got aircon, and we've even got a shower. Not too bad for 17 quid for a 90-minute massage, is it? That massage was absolutely 10/10. As you can see from the way my hair is completely in another dimension. I feel rejuvenated, revitalized. Worth every single penny, 17 quid for a 90-minute. Don't do shit like that in England.